Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the first lesson, the tiny teacher. From the title, can you understand something? What is the meaning of tiny? Tiny means small. Teacher used to teach us something, right? This lesson we are going to see who is the tiny teacher and what are the things we are going to learn from the tiny teacher. Before that, I want to ask few questions. Do you know what is the smallest and wisest insect? Is it a fly? No. Is it a mosquito? No. Is it an ant? Yes, ant is the smallest and wisest insect. Some people kept ant as their pet and they started observing the character. They found so many facts. Ant is a small, hardworking, intelligent creature. Let's see some additional information about ants. If we want to convey some information to others, how can we? We used to speak, right? Same ants are also doing. Are you feeling wondered? Each ant has antennas. With help of the antennas, they are exchanging the information one another. You can see a rows of ants, they are moving up and down. When they are meeting each other, they used to greet each other by touching their antennas. Let's see some more additional information about ants. We have so many varieties of ants, but commonly we can see red and black ants, right? Do you know where are they living? They are living in ant hills. Ant hills, it consists of more than 100 rooms. Some rooms are occupied by queen ants. Some rooms are allocated for nursery. Some rooms are for soldiers, some rooms are for workers, and some rooms are for storing food. Workers, they used to save the food, but soldiers, they will not save the food. Everyone are doing their own duty very perfectly. Soldiers, they will never go to the house of the workers. Workers, they will never go to the house of soldiers. They used to split the work each other and doing it wisely. Soldiers as well as workers, they the crumbs. They will never hurt the crumbs. So from this lesson, we come to know that ant, that is the wisest, smallest, hard-working insects that is maintaining peace. No one is not quarrel among them. Queen is the mother of entire colony. She lives 15 years. She has a pair of wings. After the wedding flight, she bites them off. Let us see what is wedding flight. During the hot summer season, she leaves her ant's hills to meet a male ant. She flies in the air to meet a male ant. After meeting a male ant, she returns to her ant's hill. She gets rid of her wings. After that, she started laying eggs there. From the eggs, grubs will come. Grubs, it's taken care of by the workers and guarded by the soldiers. 2 weeks later, grubs become cocoons. During the cocoons period, they will not eat any food, they will not do any activities. Then after they become new ants. New ants, they are getting training from old ants. After that, they started doing their works like workers, soldiers, builders and cleaners. Now we are going to see additional information about ant hills. Ant hills, it's not only the place for ants but also some other insects are staying there, and it has different reasons. Especially beetles and green flies, they used to live in ant hills. Some of the insects, they are giving sweet fragrance. Some of them used to give honey, and some of them, they are behaving like a pet for the ants. Green flies used to give honey to the ants. Because of the reasons, some other alien creature, other insects are also living in the ants' hills. From this lesson, what are the things we can understand? Human beings should learn so many lessons from ants. Ants are tiny, though they are hardworking, intelligent, smart, they are maintaining peace among them. These are the things human must learn from the teacher, especially the tiny teacher ants.